What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Starting a brand new video for you today on a 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 Trail Boss. This is a really nice blue color truck. It's the bright blue. I'm more of a fan of the bright blue, I think, than the dark blue. It kind of looks like my old blue Silverado I had when I was a teenager. This truck is a super clean truck. It has the color match fender flares on it. I'm sure he added those. It really it did a lot for the truck. It looks really nice with the fender flares colored. We're doing the really nice lift kit. It's a 2.5 inch BDS Performance Elite coilover lift kit. This is like the cream of the crop. This is the nicest lift kit I think you can buy in this size. It's only 2.5 inches of lift because this is a AT4, which comes factory lifted 2 inches. So this is technically like a 4.5 inch lift that would go on a standard Silverado or Sierra, but being that this is the AT4 and it has the factory lift on it, this is going to be only 2.5 inches of gain. But we're going to be going back with a 285 55 22 Nitto Ridge Grappler tire, which is about a 34 inch tall tire, and a 22x10 fuel. I think we're doing the Rebel. The Rebel's a super clean wheel. It looks nice on anything you put it on. It's an all black wheel. Can't wait to get this one started. I'm about to get out of the truck real quick and show you what we're working with. I have about 6 guys over there waiting for me to pull this truck in because they're ready to get started on it, but I'll take the time and show you the outside of the truck too. Well, in a sea full of 2025 and 2026 trucks, this is a very clean 2023. I honestly thought it was like a 26 or a 25 until I looked at the door tag on it. The fender flares, like I said, are color matched right here. They look a lot better, blue. I'm actually very surprised at how much I like those color match. They look great on here compared to that black that they usually put on here. This BDS lift kit we're putting on here with the Fox coilovers is going to be super nice. It's going to look really good. It's going to put this truck apart from every other truck you see on the road. When you're driving beside this truck or you see it in the parking lot, you're going to see those big fat coilovers and those Fox logos everywhere. This truck's going to look amazing. The fuel wheels and the Nitto tires are second to none. They're going to ride amazing and look great. Really excited to get this one started. Stay tuned. We're about to get it pulled in right now. So I wanted to take this opportunity to apologize for missing half the install on this video. And also I'd like to let you know that some of you may have noticed this already, but I have my own website now. It's jakesliftedlife.com. I have like 5 different items on there for merchandise. Everybody's been asking me for like hats and shirts and stuff like that. I've been listening and I've been trying to work it out, and I finally got it worked out. I think everything's good with it. The designs look pretty good. There's going to be more added to the site daily, weekly. I'm really excited about this, so I'm going to be putting some time into it. So I'm going to put the link in the video description so you can see where the store is. Keep in mind it's jakesliftedlife.com. You can go on there. You can buy the shirts, have them or the apparel in general, and have it sent to your house or wherever you want to get it sent to. And I wanted to say I appreciate you guys if you do buy anything. If you don't, I completely understand. You know, I understand how money works, and you guys watching's enough for me. But if you want to get something like that says Jake's Lifted Life on it or something like that, that's really cool. I appreciate it. Check out the website and tell me what you think. we have our 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 ready to go. I wanted to apologize for not getting as many clips of this truck during the install process because I was very, very busy today. I didn't have much of a chance to go out and film is what it is. Look at our little friend back here. I didn't see him until just now. The truck is ready to go. The customer's in the office. He's waiting to pick up the truck. I'm filming it right now. It's kind of getting dark out here. The truck looks amazing. This is this blue color. I love this blue color. I don't know why I don't see more of it. I really don't. It reminds me a lot of my old blue truck. I said that earlier in the video, and it just turned out looking great. It really did. So I'm about to get out of the truck right now and show you what it turned out looking like. So let me know what you think in the comments. So here's our final product. Like I said, that bright blue looks amazing on this truck. I really like it a lot. The lift kit on this is definitely the centerpiece of the build, so I'm going to go over it. I haven't given it much screen time yet. We'll start out in the front. This is our BDS cross member right here with the skid plate they supply with the kit. Looks amazing. If you'll notice, the angles of this kit are phenomenal. This is the 2.5-inch kit, but this is an AT4 truck, which is factory lifted 2 inches. So technically speaking, this is about a 4.5-inch lift on a standard Sierra. This is how perfectly flat the angles sit at that height. This cross member they use in a bunch of different situations on some 2, 4, and 6-inch lifts. So it's a really, really good good lift kit combination. And it always puts the axles really nice like this. That's next to perfect. That's probably a better angle than factory, I would say. The shocks and coilovers that are on this kit, because this is the Performance Elite kit from BDS. This is the Fox 2.5 reservoir. This is the best you can get. The coilovers are very, very nice. They ride amazing. You can jump hills in this truck and land, and it's not gonna break the suspension on it. This is what they're designed for. In the back here, they look good too. This is the kit that we actually have to remove the bed of the truck and pick it up to put the shocks in a little bit, because they have to go over the top of the frame rail right there. But I'd say it's definitely worth it because they look great. There's the shock body right there. 2.5 inches is huge on the truck like this. Got a little lift block and U-bolt in the back. The truck sits really level, which is kind of the goal most of the time with you guys. You know, some people like it to sit a little low in the back like me. Some people like to sit a little bit high in the back. You know, it's not as common, but it happens. 285, 55, 22 Nitto Ridge Grappler. Like I said, Nitto, Toyo, best 2 brands in the game. They're the same company. Everything that they sell is good. It's smooth riding. This is a very quiet tire, the Ridge Grappler is. They have different grades of tires. They have mud tires, they have all-terrains, they're making new little sub-categories all the time, but the Nitto Ridge Grappler is like a hybrid between an all-terrain and a mud, and this tire has been probably the hottest selling tire for the last 10+ years. It's great. It's tried and true. It never comes back with problems. This is definitely a tire I recommend for just about every application. Way to go, Nitto Ridge Grappler. This is the 22x10 Fuel Rebel in the black finish. This is the matte black finish. Looks really good. It's a little bit of a negative offset, so it does give you a little bit of a poke from the outside of the truck. Nothing crazy. Whenever you put offset on a truck like this though, whenever you turn, the tire has to come back somewhere, so we have to modify a little bit there. And then we put a mud flap delete on here that we actually have to cut and modify as well, but that's what we do to make it look good. From the side of the truck, you really don't see cutting, so it's the best you can do. The alternative is to just leave that piece off, and there's a hole right there, which we have to do that sometimes, but not on this setup. We did do the mud flap delete in the rear as well to make it uniform. I'm gonna put a quote after this clip so you guys can see what this job would cost. This is kind of an expensive lift kit, but it is a nice one. I do recommend this if you're willing to spend the money. I think it's worth it. Looks good on the truck, rides great. If you have any questions about any other prices, feel free to reach out. The number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire, McDonough, Georgia. And like I said, I'm putting a quote right after this. If you want to see what it costs, you know, you can buy this exact setup if you want to. Just give me a call. And I appreciate you guys watching.